Hello students, welcome to Commerce Diction. Myself Riya Das. Today I am going to solve question number 4 of practical problem from Accounting Equation, Kalyani Publisher book. Before watching, please subscribe to get all videos. So now let's begin. Accounting Equation question number 4. Okay. So your first transaction is bought rupees 45,000 to start business. Okay, so here 45,000 is invested in the business. So here 45,000 is capital for the business. So 45,000 will be added as capital, and rupees 45,000 is also increased in the form of cash. Okay, now next is purchase securities for cash. So here we have purchased securities, means we have made investment in shares. Okay, so here cash goes out of the business as you have purchased the shares in cash. So rupees 22,500 is deducted from cash, and investment is shown as rupees 22,500 because we have purchased share of rupees 22,500. Okay, now next transaction is purchased an office building for rupees 45,000, giving rupees 15,000 in cash and balance through a loan. Here we have purchased an office building for how much? For rupees 45,000. So rupees 45,000 of office building is an asset for us. So it will be shown as office building of rupees 45,000. Now we have made the payment through cash rupees 15,000. So 15,000 is deducted from the cash and balance through a loan, means out of 45,000 we have given 15,000 through cash, and balance of rupees 30,000, means 45,000 minus 15,000 equals to 30,000 is through a loan. We have taken a loan to pay the balance of rupees 30,000. So 30,000 here becomes our liability in the business. So 30,000 is shown as loan in the business. Okay. Now next transaction is sold securities costing rupees 3,000 for rupees 4,500. Now the securities we have purchased previously in cash of rupees 22,500, out of which rupees 3,000 securities are sold for rupees 4,500, means we have sold the shares in profit of rupees 1,500. How? 4,500 minus 3,000 is equal to 1,500. So 1,500 is the profit for the business. So it will be added to the capital. So on selling the shares of rupees 3,000, we have made a profit of rupees 1,500, which will be added to the capital. Okay, and the cost price of share is 3,000, so it will be deducted from investment, so it becomes 19,500, and cash of rupees 4,500 comes in the business, so it will be added to the cash. Now it becomes 12,000. Okay, now purchased an old car for rupees 84,000 in cash. Now old car is purchased, so an asset is purchased in the business, so it will be shown as old car of rupees 84,000, and cash goes out of the business. Since we have made purchase through cash, so cash is deducted with rupees 84,000 and it becomes 3,600. Now investment is 19,500, office building 45,000, and car 84,000, loan 30,000, capital remains the same 46,500. All this remains same, only cash is deducted. Okay, now received cash for rent rupees 10,800. Here one thing remember, that here rent is received in the form of cash. So here rent is income for us because we have received the cash. We have not paid cash for rent. If we have made the payment for rent in cash, then it will be an expenses for us. But here the thing is, we have made payment, we have received cash for rent. So here rent is income for us. Means we have given someone rent and he or she has paid the rent in cash of rupees 10,800. So here 10,800 is added to the capital and cash is also added of rupees 10,800. So it becomes 14,400 and capital becomes 57,300. Okay. Now our next transaction is paid cash rupees 1,500 for loan and rupees 900 for interest. Here cash of rupees 1,500 is paid for the loan. We have taken the loan in the previous transaction of rupees 30,000. See here, out of which we have made payment of rupees 1,500 for loan. So 1,500 will be deducted from its principal amount. Now it becomes 28,500, and for loan we have made a interest payment of rupees 900. So here interest payment will become expense for the business. So it will reduce the cash because interest is paid in cash. So 900 will be deducted from the cash column, and interest being an expense will also reduce the capital. So 900 will be deducted from the capital also. So capital becomes 56,400 and cash becomes 12,000 after deduction of 1,500 plus 900, that is 2,400. Okay. Now our next transaction is paid cash for office expenses rupees 900. Means here we have made cash payment of rupees 900 for some office expenses. So cash of rupees 900 goes out of the business. So cash is reduced by rupees 9,000 and it becomes 11,100. And it will show also its effect in the capital because expenses reduces the profit and hence capital also gets reduced. So it becomes 55,500 after deduction of rupees 900 from the capital. Okay. Now received cash for dividend on securities rupees 600. In the previous transaction, we have seen that we have purchased securities for cash of rupees 22,500. Now from this investment we got income or in the form of dividend. Now dividend being an income will make an addition to the cash and capital. Okay, so our cash will be increased with rupees 600 and it becomes 11,700, and dividend being an income will increase the capital. So capital also gets increased with rupees 600 and it becomes 56,100. Okay. So now our assets are cash of rupees 11,700, investment is 19,500, office building 45,000 and car is 84,000. 8,400. All these assets will be added, and similarly the liability and the capital will be added. And if we see that asset is equal to liability plus capital, then our accounting equation is proved. Now see how it will be done. See here, assets cash of rupees 11,700, investment 19,500, office building 45,000, car 8,400. Now adding these four items, we get 84,600, and our liability is only loan of rupees 28,500 and capital is 56,100. So on adding both these items, we get 84,600. So asset is equal to liability plus capital is proved here. Okay. So thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends.